Welcome. Today, we are exploring one of the world's most popular and widely consumed fruits, the apple. Apples have been part of the human diet for thousands of years, but beyond their crisp texture and refreshing taste lies a remarkable combination of nutrients and naturally occurring plant compounds that have attracted the attention of nutrition scientists around the world. In this video, we'll examine what apples are made of, the vitamins and minerals they contain, and the natural compounds that contribute to their nutritional value. Every health benefit discussed in this video is based on current scientific understanding, and while apples can support a healthy diet, they should always be viewed as one part of an overall balanced lifestyle. Let's begin by taking a closer look at what makes an apple such a unique fruit. What is an apple? An apple is the edible fruit of the apple tree, scientifically known as Malus domestica. It belongs to the Rosaceae family, which also includes pears, cherries, peaches, and several other familiar fruits. Today, apples are cultivated in more than 90 countries and are among the most widely consumed fruits on Earth. Thousands of different varieties exist, each varying in sweetness, acidity, texture, and color. Popular varieties include Gala, Fuji, Honeycrisp, Granny Smith, and Red Delicious. Although these varieties differ in flavor, they share a very similar nutritional profile. One reason apples have become so popular is their versatility. They can be eaten fresh, baked, sliced into salads, blended into smoothies, or used in countless recipes. They also store exceptionally well, making them available throughout the year in many regions of the world. From a nutritional perspective, apples provide a combination of water, carbohydrates, dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds while remaining relatively low in calories. This balance has made them one of the most extensively studied fruits in nutritional science. Nutritional profile. A medium-sized apple, weighing approximately 180 grams, contains about 95 calories. Nearly 86% of the fruit is water, making apples naturally hydrating while providing relatively few calories. Most of an apple's calories come from carbohydrates, primarily in the form of naturally occurring sugars such as fructose, glucose, and sucrose. Unlike refined sugars found in many processed foods, these natural sugars are packaged together with water, dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This combination slows digestion and influences how the body absorbs sugar. One of the most important nutritional components of an apple is its dietary fiber. A medium apple typically provides around 4 grams of fiber, representing a meaningful contribution toward the recommended daily intake for most adults. The majority of this fiber consists of pectin, a type of soluble fiber. When mixed with water inside the digestive system, pectin forms a gel-like substance that slows digestion, promotes fullness after meals, and supports healthy digestion. Apples also contain a small amount of insoluble fiber, which adds bulk to stool and helps maintain regular bowel movements. Protein and fat are naturally present in apples, but only in very small amounts. Their primary nutritional value comes from fiber, water, vitamins, minerals, and naturally occurring phytochemicals rather than protein or fat. Vitamins found in apples. Although apples are not the richest source of vitamins compared to some other fruits, they still provide several nutrients that contribute to overall health. The most well-known vitamin in apples is vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. Vitamin C functions as a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by unstable molecules known as free radicals. It also plays an essential role in collagen production. Collagen is a structural protein that supports healthy skin, blood vessels, bones, cartilage, and connective tissues. In addition, vitamin C contributes to normal immune function and assists the body in absorbing iron from plant-based foods. Apples also provide small amounts of vitamin K, a nutrient involved in normal blood clotting and bone metabolism. While apples are not considered a major source of vitamin K, every dietary contribution supports overall nutritional balance. Small quantities of several B vitamins are also present, including vitamin B6, riboflavin, and thiamine. These vitamins help convert carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into usable energy while supporting normal nervous system function. Apples contain small amounts of folate, another B vitamin important for DNA synthesis and healthy cell division. Folate is especially important during periods of rapid growth, including pregnancy. Although apples should not be relied upon as the primary source of these vitamins, they contribute to overall nutrient intake when consumed regularly as part of a varied diet. Minerals found in apples. Along with vitamins, apples provide several essential minerals that support normal body function. The most abundant mineral found in apples is potassium. Potassium is an electrolyte that helps regulate fluid balance, supports normal muscle contraction, assists nerve signaling, and contributes to maintaining healthy blood pressure. Adequate potassium intake has been associated with improved cardiovascular health when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Apples also contain small amounts of copper, a trace mineral involved in energy production, iron metabolism, connective tissue formation, and antioxidant defense systems within the body. Another mineral present is manganese, which supports bone development, metabolism, and the activity of several enzymes involved in antioxidant protection. Smaller amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, and iron are also naturally present. Although these minerals occur in relatively modest quantities, they contribute to the overall nutritional profile of the fruit. The nutritional strength of apples does not depend on a single vitamin or mineral. Instead, their value comes from the combined effects of many nutrients working together within a healthy dietary pattern. Powerful plant compounds. Beyond vitamins and minerals, apples contain a remarkable group of naturally occurring substances known as phytochemicals, or plant compounds. These compounds are not classified as essential nutrients like vitamins, yet they have become an important area of nutritional research because of their biological activity. Among the most studied compounds in apples are polyphenol, a diverse family of antioxidants produced naturally by plants to protect themselves from environmental stress. One important polyphenol found in apples is quercetin. Quercetin is concentrated primarily in the apple's skin and has been widely studied for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Another beneficial compound is catechin, a flavonoid also found in green tea. Laboratory studies suggest catechins may help protect cells against oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals. Apples also contain chlorogenic acid, another antioxidant compound that has been investigated for its possible role in glucose metabolism and cellular protection. Finally, one of the most valuable components of apples is pectin, the soluble fiber discussed earlier. Beyond improving digestion, pectin serves as food for beneficial bacteria living in the large intestine. As these bacteria ferment pectin, they produce short-chain fatty acids that help support the health of the intestinal lining and contribute to a balanced gut microbiome. Together, these naturally occurring compounds help explain why apples continue to receive significant attention in nutritional and medical research. Now that we've explored what apples contain, the next question is even more important. How do these nutrients and natural compounds affect the human body? And what does current scientific evidence reveal about the health benefits of eating apples regularly? The nutrients and natural compounds found in apples work together in several ways to support normal body functions. While no single food can prevent disease or replace a balanced lifestyle, regular consumption of apples as part of a healthy diet has been associated with a variety of positive health outcomes in scientific research. Science-based health benefits. One of the most recognized benefits of apples is their contribution to heart health. The soluble fiber known as pectin can bind to bile acids inside the digestive system. Since bile acids are produced using cholesterol, the body must use additional cholesterol to replace them. Over time, this process may contribute to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, particularly low-density lipoprotein, or LDL cholesterol, when combined with an overall healthy diet. Apples are also naturally rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate fluid balance and supports normal blood pressure. Maintaining adequate potassium intake is considered an important part of cardiovascular health. In addition, the antioxidants found in apples, including quercetin and other polyphenols, help protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when unstable molecules known as free radicals accumulate faster than the body's antioxidant defenses can neutralize them. Over many years, excessive oxidative stress has been linked to aging and the development of several chronic diseases. Although antioxidants from foods are only one part of this complex process, diets rich in fruits and vegetables consistently show positive associations with long-term health. Another important benefit of apples involves digestive health. Dietary fiber plays a central role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. The soluble fiber found in apples slows digestion, allowing nutrients to be absorbed more gradually while promoting a longer feeling of fullness after meals. The insoluble fiber contributes bulk to stool and helps support regular bowel movements. Perhaps even more important is the effect of pectin on the gut microbiome. The human digestive tract contains trillions of microorganisms that help digest food, produce certain vitamins, and support immune function. When beneficial bacteria ferment pectin inside the large intestine, they produce compounds called short-chain fatty acids. These compounds help nourish the cells lining the colon and contribute to maintaining a healthy intestinal environment. Modern research continues to demonstrate that a diverse and balanced gut microbiome plays an important role in overall health. Apples may also contribute to healthy blood sugar regulation. Although apples contain natural sugars, they also contain water and fiber, which slow the rate at which sugar enters the bloodstream. As a result, whole apples generally have a relatively low glycemic index compared to many processed carbohydrate-rich foods. Eating an entire apple produces a different metabolic response than drinking apple juice. During juice production, much of the fiber is removed, allowing sugars to be absorbed more rapidly. For this reason, nutrition experts generally recommend choosing whole fruit whenever possible instead of fruit juice. For individuals living with diabetes, apples can often be included within a balanced meal plan. However, portion sizes and total daily carbohydrate intake should always be considered according to recommendations from a qualified healthcare professional. Apples may also support healthy weight management. Foods that are high in water and dietary fiber tend to increase satiety, meaning they help people feel full for longer periods after eating. Because apples require chewing and digest relatively slowly, they may naturally reduce the desire to snack shortly afterward. Several observational studies have found that individuals who regularly consume whole fruits often have healthier overall dietary patterns. It is important to remember that successful weight management depends on total calorie intake, physical activity, sleep, and many other lifestyle factors. Apples are not a weight loss food by themselves, but they can be a nutritious choice within a balanced eating pattern. Scientists have also investigated the role of apples in supporting immune function. Vitamin C contributes to the normal functioning of the immune system by supporting the activity of several immune cells and helping protect them from oxidative damage. In addition, the antioxidants naturally present in apples help protect cells throughout the body from damage caused by free radicals. Although eating apples cannot prevent infections on their own, including nutrient-rich fruits as part of a varied diet supports the body's normal defense mechanisms. Should you eat the apple skin? Many people choose to peel apples before eating them. However, from a nutritional standpoint, eating the skin provides several important advantages. A significant portion of an apple's fiber is located directly beneath and within the peel. In addition, many antioxidants, including quercetin and numerous polyphenols, are concentrated in the skin rather than the flesh. Removing the peel reduces both fiber intake and antioxidant content. For most people, thoroughly washing the apple under running water before eating is sufficient to remove dirt and reduce surface residues. Washing does not eliminate every trace of pesticides, but it can significantly reduce contaminants found on the surface. Whenever possible, selecting high-quality fresh apples and washing them carefully allows most people to safely enjoy both the flesh and the nutrient-rich skin. Who should be careful? Although apples are considered safe for the vast majority of healthy individuals, there are a few situations where extra attention may be appropriate. People with diabetes should monitor portion sizes and include apples within their overall carbohydrate goals rather than assuming unlimited amounts are beneficial. Some individuals experience oral allergy syndrome, also known as pollen food allergy syndrome. In these cases, eating raw apples may cause itching or mild swelling of the lips, mouth, or throat due to cross-reacting proteins found in certain pollens. Individuals following a low FODMAP diet for digestive conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome may find that apples trigger symptoms because they naturally contain relatively high amounts of fructose and sorbitol. Finally, while accidentally swallowing a few whole apple seeds is generally not harmful, intentionally chewing and consuming large quantities of seeds should be avoided because they contain amygdalin, a naturally occurring compound capable of releasing small amounts of cyanide during digestion. The best ways to enjoy apples. From a nutritional perspective, the healthiest way to enjoy an apple is usually in its whole, fresh form. Eating the fruit with the skin provides the greatest amount of dietary fiber and beneficial plant compounds. Pairing apples with foods such as unsweetened yogurt, nuts, seeds, or natural peanut butter can create a more balanced snack by combining carbohydrates with protein and healthy fats. Whenever possible, limit products that contain added sugars, including sweetened apple juices, syrups, and many processed apple desserts. While these foods may still contain some nutrients, they often provide significantly more sugar and fewer beneficial compounds than fresh apples. A simple whole apple remains one of the most nutritious and convenient fruit choices available. As we've seen, apples are far more than a sweet and refreshing snack. They provide water, dietary fiber, essential vitamins, important minerals, and a wide variety of naturally occurring plant compounds that work together to support overall health. While no single food can guarantee good health, regularly including whole apples as part of a balanced, nutritious diet is supported by a growing body of scientific research. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you found it informative, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more science-based content on nutrition and health. Your support helps us continue creating educational videos like this. Until next time, thank you for watching and take care.